Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Here we have this very pink glittery look happening. I love this. I'm usually not a fan of pink, but take this in. Also, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I would appreciate that so much. Let me know what you would like to see, what you look forward to, what you expect, what you'd like to learn. I am all here for it. Alright, so let me know in the comments down below, like this video if it is you truly love this look and this is something that you would rock, or you know a friend or family member will rock. Send it for them. Share it, okay? I love it so much. If you would like to know how to get this look, I think it would be perfect for prom, but I actually have an event to attend later this evening, and because of what I'm wearing, I decided to do this pink glittery sparkle loud out there look, right? It's a cut crease, it's a half cut crease as you can see, and I just love it so much. So if you would like to know how to get this look, keep on watching. So in this video, I actually have an event to go to later. My best friend is launching and opening her new studio, and so I decided to make a video about this, me getting ready ish. But I wanted to do a sort of a glam look, so I'm definitely going to incorporate some glitters, and let's see what happens. Right, so I already did my brows off camera, and I'm gonna jump into the eye look one time. So to do that, I'm gonna use my concealer. Just gonna pack that in there, make sure it's even as possible, because that's what's gonna help us with applying and laying down our eyeshadow shades and getting a really smooth, flawless, beautiful finish. Let me zoom you guys in, and then we're gonna jump right straight into there. This is a local brand, okay? Local. This is another local brand, Kenzie Beauty. So I'm gonna dip into my Carnival Vibes eyeshadow palette. I think I want to get this pink shade, but I still don't want it to be too pink, so I might mix it with this one here so that it gets toned down a bit. As much as I'm wearing pink on my eyes, I'm not a fan. Pink is not my favorite color. You just see how this goes, okay? Yeah. I kind of like already seen it, and I find it is too pink. Okay, I feel I want to like tone it down somewhat at like this shade, because it is so pink. Wow. Whew. It's louder than I expected. I'm only going to use that peach shade that I last pointed out now at this point. I'm going to dip into that first pink, that is this one right here, and put it over the peach color that I packed throughout the rest of the crease, and then I'm going to blend out the edges. Loud, this thing is ja. I really was not ready. And also, I'm not such a fan of pink, and look at my eye. So I'm using this one here. I didn't headband a client's child did it out. But I'm using this shade to go right above here to blend it out. I have an orange shade right here. Let me see what I get from applying that over it. I don't want it too heavy, so I'm just gonna like blend it in or something. I'm like not really seeing a difference, to be honest. Okay, I don't see any orange starting to come through. I truly have to like try and blend this thing out because I find it so loud. Let me go with my cream soda sheet to the top. Hope for the best. I mean, if I screw it up, I need to screw it up twice. Not once and get right on the next eye, then I'll have to do it over. And I need to use the same methods that I applied on the next one so that it does not look different. Because we're gonna stick with it now. We're going to stick with it. We've come too far to turn back now. Starting to look alike again. I decided to add this extremely dark shade here. Just a little bit. Because it's really supposed to be pink, yeah? Just a little touch. The amount of shades I pack into this crease already. Oh my goodness. I feel like if I had to come out with like a revised version, a condensed version at this point. But damn, you're seeing all the colors showing up. You know, sometimes you just can't get our next color to show up because it already has something there. And this is how you know the palette legit. I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but to my naked eye, I can see this new shade that is coming through. Time to cut the crease. I'm definitely cutting the next crease off camera because I took forever. Right, so I did the rest of my eye off camera. Now I'm gonna do this one, right? Because I know you all saw me cut this crease and I did this one off camera, so I end up doing the rest of this eye. And I'm going to show you guys how I did this look. The next thing I'm gonna do is take this small detailed brush. Right, so I'm just gonna reach for this white shade and put it on my the inner corner of my eye, right? Simple. And there we have it, it's there. Then I'm just gonna knock off the excess white. What I'm going to do is reach back into my CB palette from Kenzie Beauty, and I'm going to dip into this shade and this shade to get me the eyeshadow that's below that glitter for the rest of the lid. I don't want it too pink, and I don't want it too subtle either, so that when I place the glitter you see any color coming through saying hey girl, hey, what's up, what's happening, I'm right here. Make sure it does not exceed where I cut the crease. And then I'm just gonna take my face brush from Selfish Cosmetics and dip into this dark purple shade, dark pink shade here, and just dab that in the outer area so that it blends smoothly. If you all remember, this is the last shade that we put on our crease, right? So I'm just gonna make sure it transitions beautifully and marries well with the other pink shade. And there you have it. Now it's time for me to line my eyes. As you see here, I have a black liner, Inglot Gel Liner in number 77. Now it's not going to be a wing, it's just a black liner. I actually wanted to apply this above it, but I don't know, I've only used it like once. It's like, where did the rest of color? Did it evaporated? I need to ask next, what is up with that? I used it like once and it's disappeared now. It's like, I waste my money. And it was not cheap. It was not cheap. This is Trinidad and Tobago price we're talking about. It's not cheap at all. So now as that is done, now I can start by adding glitter. So like I said, I'm sort of a bit lazy. I'm not using lash glue, I'm using glitter liner. So this is another one from Ruby Kiss. I'm sure you can see it. So this is a silver one that I'm gonna put in the inner corner, and then I'm gonna go over it with my pink Craze. And I don't have white fine glitter, so because of that, that is why I'm settling. I am opting for the silver. So what I want to do, I don't just want to use it for glitter, I also want to use it as a base. So I will apply a coat of silver first and then apply a next coat, so it would act as glue, and use the white iridescent shade above it. Watch. So because I do not have fine ones, what I do is flip it upside down and then I knock it and turn it back this way, right side up, so that all the fine ones are either in the cover or to the top here, so that when I dip with my glitter picking up brush, I don't know what to call it. This is like almost like a rubber. It's almost like a rubber head. And I lightly touch to the top because I don't want to pick up the big ones. I only want to pick up the small ones. So next I pick up my rose gold glitter liner now. This shade is called rose gold, duh. And I thought it had a fancy name. So it's a sparkle body liner and eyeliner. So I take it in pieces, start from the beginning. I don't want it to look too packed, so I'm dragging it out. And I know while it's beginning to dry, the next thing I do is take this other pink Craze glitter. I don't want to tilt it too much. I literally just said that. I had knocked these as well, so it's just to dip and gather what is at the top, the small ones, and put them on to my eyes. And then I'm gonna take this other shade Another thing too, this look would be perfect for Grad Ball or Prom or whatever you guys call it, or if it is you're just feeling so like glitter, you know. I'm not sure if you'll notice on the end here, but I added a tad bit of purple, just a tinge. Take my brush here and I took in the dark one, this darkest shade of purple right here, And all I did was dab it in because I'm not trying to move the glitter that's on the end there. Can you see it? Like we said, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Primer, Pro Filter Primer. Okay, so I did my lower lash line and lashes off camera. I also set my face off camera. Now it's time for me to do my lips. So with lips, I'm going to apply this Second Love Everlast matte lip gloss in the shade Addison. I usually put it on the innermost part of my lip. I already have one lip balm right here. Do that, let it warm up. And then I apply lip gloss over it. And once my lips are popping to my liking, we're done.